Imagine escaping the hustle and bustle to live in a stunning off-grid tiny house, surrounded by nature's raw beauty. With its sleek, minimalist design, large window, and warm wooden exterior, this modern retreat blends seamlessly into the landscape. Set against a backdrop of towering mountains and an endless sky, this is the ultimate gateway for those seeking simplicity and serenity. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. Wow, look how clean and modern this space is. The entire ceiling is a smooth, flat white surface, giving the room such a sleek and open feel. And it really enhanced the brightness in here, making the space feel larger than it actually is. And and can we talk about those massive windows? The view outside is absolutely stunning. Imagine waking up every morning to a scenic landscape like that. Just incredible. And alright, moving on to the kitchen area. I love how they have maximizing functionality in such a compact space. The cabinetry is simple and modern, but blending seamlessly with the rest of the design. And there is a decent amount of counter space, which is impressive for a tiny home. And plus, they have included a small cooktop and deep sink, just what you need for everyday cooking. And I also appreciate the smart use of storage. Everything looks so neat and organized. And now let's check out the loft bed. One of thing I immediately love is that it's accessible by stairs instead of a ladder. That makes such a difference in terms of convenience and safety. And I can already tell there is some built-in storage under the steps, such a smart use of space. And the loft itself looks super cozy. And thanks to the large window, there's plenty of natural light, which keeps it from sailing cramped. I can totally imagine lying here at night, looking out at the stars when what a dream. Okay, this little lounge setup is really well thought out. And there is a small table and chair, making it a perfect spot for morning coffee, working, or just enjoying the view. I really love they did not overfill the space with unnecessary furniture. It keeps everything open and airy. And again, the natural lighting is just amazing. And this whole room is so well lit, both from the windows and from carefully placed lighting fixture. And it's warm, inviting, and super functional. And overall, I'm seriously impressed with this mobile tiny home. And the combination of modern design, natural light, and smart use of space make it feel way bigger than it actually is. And the white flat ceiling keeps everything clean and minimalist, and while the huge window bring in the beauty of the outdoors. And the kitchen is practical, the loft is cozy, and the lounge area is just perfect for relaxing. Honestly, if I ever wanted to try tiny living, this is the kind of home I would want. It has a luxury bathtub, a sleek on modern design, and get these huge windows that let you enjoy a scenic view while you relax. I can't wait to check this out. So let's jump right in. And wow, right away, I love how clean and modern this space looks. The square flat white ceiling gives it such a seamless and sleek appearance. It makes the whole room feel bigger and more open. And look at how bright it is in here. The lighting is perfect, both from the fixture and that huge windows. I mean, imagine taking a bath while enjoying a breathtaking view outside. That is next level relaxation. And speaking of relaxation, let's talk about the luxurious bathtub. I honestly did not expect to see something this high in a tiny home. It's deep, slick, and positioned perfectly near the window, so you can soak in warm water while gazing at nature. Can you imagine taking a bath here during sunrise or even under the stars? It must feel like a spa experience every single day. And now, moving on to the essential, the toilet and vanity area. I love how they have kept the design simple but still stylish. The vanity has a beautiful modern sink and the mirror is large, which not only adds elegance but also helps reflect light, making the space feel even more open. And let's not forget about the exhaust fan. Super important for keeping the air fresh in a small space like this. And I have to talk about this window again. A window this size is in a bathroom might seem usual. Uh, but honestly, it's genius. It brings in tons of natural light, making the entire bathroom feel spacious and inviting. Plus, it connects you with the outdoors, creating such a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Of course, you would want to make sure there is privacy, but I imagine this tiny home is already placed in a secluded scenic area, so you can fully enjoy the view without worry. And wow, I am so impressed with this tiny house bathroom. It's modern, functional, and incredible luxurious for a small space. The sleek white ceiling keeps it looking clean and minimal. The bathtub is an absolutely showstopper, and the natural lighting is just perfect. I love how they have maximized every inch of space without making it feel cramped. And this bathroom proves that tiny home and tiny living does not mean sacrificing comfort or style. Okay, everyone, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. And this does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of opening and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and useful inspiration. Thanks for watching until the end. Thanks for enjoying this video until the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And wait for my next video. Have a good day.